The Finchaser 700 hardtop Amphibious is the latest from Finchaser Boats based in Hamilton, New Zealand. It is billed as the ultimate fishing machine, and when we went out to test it on the Hauraki Gulf, it certainly proved suitable for fishing. My 90-year-old buddy from Canada can certainly attest to that. And after hauling up fish, it was off to Charlie Farley's on Waiheke Island for a very well-deserved lunch before heading home. Driving down the beach at Otangi Bay and slicing through the waves as though they weren't there, the FC700 HTA handles extremely well in all conditions, helped largely by the amphibious system's weight in the stern, while the cabin-top solar panels contribute power for the auto-deploy Minn Kota GPS locating anchor system. Overall, the boat is roomy, allowing 6 people ample fishing space, while the double V-berth forward with a concealed electric toilet allows for comfortable overnighting. Launching and retrieval is a piece of cake, even for a 90-year-old who's never been aboard an amphibious boat before. Loading the boat back onto the trailer was simple and easy after a great day out on this latest Amphibious from Finchaser. Check out finchaser.co.nz to learn more.